I need somebody on my side tonight. Somebody to ride for me, just in case I die tonight. Just in case I don't make it. I don't play with that fake shit. Fuck with me on the East Coast, girl, I stay representing. I don't make no mistakes. Your body's insane. I know that you want me, it's all over your face. I always slide, she triple X on the side. We only fucking with dimes, she's always rolling the dice. I took my demons to South Beach. All of this might make your nose bleed. I let your bitch pop her X pill. Now she got something to show. Just in case I don't make it. I don't play with that fake shit. Fuck with me on the East Coast, girl, I stay representing. I don't make no mistakes. Your body's insane. I know that you want me, it's all over your face.
Tell me your tale, do you see the road? I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face, and my picture perfect, or do I look fried? All of that green and yellow that drip from your eyes is telling. Tell your demise, I'm with to my side. To push back the ceiling and push back the feelings I had to the side. I replay them nights, and right by my side, all I see is the sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. The things we created became the most weighted. I gotta find balance and keep me a smile. Yeah, yeah. That shit wild, instead I'm a hero. I took it from zero to flame. You saying I'm running for miles. The shit wasn't luck, they got me fucked up. I put you on bus and take you around. A couple of guys inside of the school, I gave them the tools to get it off the ground. They say they're the ones when they make the airs, can't look in the mirror. That shit wild. I stand on the stage, I give them the rage, I'm turning it down. Can't take it, can't foul. We doing the streets, we do it for keys, we do it for rights. I'm 52 weeks, this shit ain't for pleasure, I'm coming to tweak. This shit is forever and infinity. No matter yo, we write it and wrap it around. I take me a beat and I turn to a beast. About the crib on the hill, made it harder to reach. Bought a couple more wheels cause I needed more speed. Bought a couple more watches, I needed more time. Didn't buy the condo, it was smarter to lease. And I bought some more ice cause I brought in the heat. Made a cast on my dish so she never go cheat. If I gave you a day in my life or a day in my eyes, don't blink.
That bitch, I don't give a fuck about your girlfriend.
That shit never leaves you the same. It knows how to play with your brain, but I know how to drive you insane. Oh yeah, yeah. Put my girl on the back when I'm riding tonight. But when I get my chance, so I'll fuck you right. And if you drink my pain, you can swallow my pride. And if you curse my name, baby, fuck your life. And I know you want it, baby. You know I want you. Don't underestimate the things that I could do. I know you wish us apart. Don't want it her way. Well, I just fucked her all night. She'll have a good day, yeah. Just to the fifth of the bottle, and I'm in for it, I'm in for it. You brought your girl and she riding, but I'm in for it, I'm in for it. Call me with your homegirls, tell them I'm on it. No more excuses, you always do this. I know what I want, I know what I want. No more excuses, no more excuses. Shorty, I want, shorty, I want. Whatever you want, whatever you want. Shorty, I want, shorty, I want. Whatever you want, whatever you want.
All a nigga gotta kick more, big game in a little bit. I need tall money in a little bitch. Come on, kick game on Luke Kane, and my whip game on Bruce Wayne. I'm coolin' while I'm flicking the cigar. Tell them bitches by the bar, they can fit up in my car. Ay, shawty wanna kick it with a star. Her friend of Minaj, she gon' get it on and she hoppin'. Round town, 10 bandos in a small prayer, now they won't talk. Round town in a brand new seal, let me say that I just popped. Riding around with the stainless new 40, I got it for shorty. Round town with the mama, cause she know that I got it.
As long as you are down to fuck with a nigga, let's get it. I conquered, I hit it, I did it.